Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on if you can use Yubo app without verifying your age. If you're using Yubo app for the first time and creating your account, it will tell you to create an account where it will ask you various informations to help you create your account. And after all this information has been inputted on Yubo, it will show you to this kind of screen where now you need to verify your age. You can see there is no backdoor to this, no skip option or no any kind of back option. So you cannot not verify your age and use Yubo because it would just not be possible. So from here you just need to click on verify my age right here on the bottom and verify your age in order to use your Yubo app, because right now there's no possible way to use Yubo without verifying your age. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.